Baningi abaprofethako kodwa banaso isiphiwo sokuprofetha. They are not gifted. They are not even identified by God kulelo hhovisi lokuba umprofeti. Abanaso isiphiwo kodwa bayaprofetha. They were not even deployed by God, but they are prophesying. God doesn't recognize them. Only you recognize their prophecy. But God don't recognize those people. Ukuthi indaba imili yodwa ukuthi hlolani imimoya. Prophecy is not a problem. Kodwa leso siprofeto siqhamuka kuphi ngoba baningi abaprofethako benganazo izipho zokuprofetha kodwa beprofetha. Baningi abaprofethako kodwa bangabuyi kuNkulunkulu ngoba umoya aba-operator ngawo abawudonsi kuNkulunkulu. Baningi abaprofethako abazana inhlobo noKristu. Abanye they are antichrist kodwa bayaprofetha in the name of Christ kodwa they are antichrist. Hlolani imimoya, hlolani imimoya, hlolani imimoya.